Barbie Fortesa updates for lights camera run. Congrats kay Barbie. Sabi ni Barbie, takbo para sa pelikulang Pilipino. I did it first, 16K. I'm so happy I got a run to the improvement of the beloved industry and help encourage people to support local artists. I'm so glad to see a lot of other artists and art participation in running for the same cause. I'm so happy now. Sign off to Korea na si Barbie. Din pa nga si Alden at si Barbie, nakakandong pa nga si Barbie kay Alden Tsaka ito pa, yan sila Christopher Martin at Jenson Blake. Yung picture din with Barbie, At yung mga video ni Barbie, yan sa lights camera run ng Mobile Fun Run. Yan sa Mall of Asia. Ay magkatabi dyan si Barbie sa si Christopher Martin.
And we're so happy because we want to share.
Nag-enjoy si Barbie dyan.
The secret recipe of success is consistency, dedication, and 16K run.
Yan,
Go Barbie!
Grabe si Barbie, Bilis, Ayun na yung finish line, finisher. Barbie Fortesa. Congrats. Ayan si Barbie sa si Christopher. Grabe si Barbie. Hey.
As always, coffee na hanap. Event.
Ayan, off to Korea na si Barbie. Grabe, lakas si Barbie. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is Twitcher Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.